How to clean up and repair registry window in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can repair or clean your registry on Windows 11. So first of all, you have to open a Windows tab and search for Microsoft registry, and you have to just click on the first link, free window registry repair, and you have to click on download now. Close, and it's downloaded. You just have to install it now on your PC, and after that you have to click on next, next again, next, and after that launch free window registry repair. And after that you can see there are options like full scan, custom scan, fix errors, restore options, help about exist. You can do a full scan, and if there are any problems or errors you find, you can just fix it right then. And you can also click on fix errors by clicking on here. And that's it for this video. That's how you can fix errors of Windows registry or uh, Windows registry in Windows 11. And see you on the next video.